Example 2. Sample problem 2. So sample problem 2, right? The train A travels. The train A travels. The train A traveled, right? Okay. The train A traveled a distance of 120 kilometer. A distance of 120 kilometer in 3 hours. Distance of 120 kilometer in 3 hours. So time t is equals to 3 hours. Now 3 hours, whereas another train B, whereas another train B traveled a distance of 180 kilometer. Traveled a distance of, this is A train, another train is B. Traveled a distance of 180 kilometer. 180 kilometer in 4 hours. In 4 hours. Understand? Full stop. Which train traveled faster? Find it. Which train traveled faster? So just I find the speed and compare whose speed is more. So that body is traveling much faster. That's all. So very simple sum. So solution, if you'll go solution first, write given data. Solution, you should write what? Given. So what they have given? We have two cases here. You have to construct the page into two parts. Understand? So one is body A and another one is body B. So let us come to the body A here. So body A, understand? So the distance S is equals to 120 kilometer and time T is equals to 3 hours. Now body B, if you'll observe, distance is equals to 180 kilometer and time T is equals to 4 hours. So both are in same units, so that we can directly go for substitution. So speed is equals to, what is the formula? Distance by time. Distance by time. So 120 kilometer divided by 3 hours. Please divide and tell me 3 ones are 3 fours are 340. So the speed of this body is equals to 40 kilometer per hour. Is it true or not? Is it true or not? Yes or no? Yes. Now same way you calculate for body B. The speed of body B. This is speed of body A. Remember, like this you should write. Speed of body B, which is equals to distance by time, which is equals to what? 180 kilometer divided by 4 hours. So now 4 table 180 will come out. Is it will come or not?
No, sir.
So you divide it. Understanding? 180. So 4 fours are 16. 2 will be 20. Now 4 fives are 20. Is it correct or not? Yes or no? So which is equals to 45 kilometer per hour. So now if you'll observe this, who is having more speed drop? This is 40 and this is 45. So which body is traveling faster? Which body is traveling faster? Selva, Laksha, Pradosh, Alana. Which body is traveling faster? What? Train is 45 kilometer per hour. So from these calculations we can say find that A travels a distance of 40 kilometers in 1 hour. B travels a distance of 45 kilometers in 1 hour. So since the speed of train B is higher, therefore train B has traveled faster. That's all. So after comparison, you should write the understanding definition. Since the speed of you have to write in such a way that since the speed of train B is higher, speed of train B is higher. Since speed of train B is higher, therefore train B has traveled faster. Therefore train B has traveled faster. Pradosh, inform Monis to join.
Hello, sir.
Okay. You joined now. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, that's all. So since the speed of B is higher, therefore the train B traveled faster. That's all. Write it. Have you solved or not? All of you?
Oh, sir.
No, solve slowly. All of you solve. Tamil Selvan, are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now, this is about second one. Completed, Laksha? Alana? Right now. Third sum. Third sum. Third sum. A car travels 30 kilometer. A car travels 30 kilometer. All of you write. This is the very important sum. You can keep very important sum. Understand? A car travels. All of you write it. A car travels. A car travels 30 kilometers. A car travels 30 kilometers at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. At a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Means in the sense of what? 30 kilometer distance he traveled with the 40 kilometer per hour. Are you understanding time? Speed, yes or no? Pradosh? Next. And the next 30 kilometers, I will draw the diagram. Let me draw. You also need to learn that you have to draw diagram. Okay, draw. And the next 30 kilometers at a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. At a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. Full stop. 20 kilometer per hour. Full stop. Find its average speed. Find its average speed. That's all. So they are asking what? Find its average speed. What is the average speed formula? Average speed formula. Solunga. Average speed formula. What?
Traveled total time taken.
Total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But in question, if you'll observe, they have given distance and speed, but they have not given time. Is it true or not? Is it true or not?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
First, we people need to calculate time with the help of given data. So let me see. This is the first problem for you. So that only I am teaching. Later you have to solve. So let us go for here. Here also first draw the diagram based upon, see how I am drawing. No textbook will give diagram. But according to me, if you are able to draw the free body diagram, your 90% answer is over. Now let us come to here. Observe, a person is at A point now till the B point. What is the distance till B point? 30 kilometers. He has traveled with a speed of how much? 40 kilometers per hour. Is it correct or not? Let me take this speed one and this is the distance one. Now, as well as from B to C point, he has traveled again 30 kilometers. S2 is equals to, understanding? Again he has traveled 30 kilometers. And with the what speed? V2 equals to, what is the speed? What is the speed V2 equals to?
20 kilometer per hour.
20 kilometer per hour. Now, so we want average speed. Average speed is equals to formula total distance traveled by total time taken. So that understanding. So here total distance we can come to know, but total time we don't know. So that with the help of these things, we should find the total time now. So observe very carefully from the speed formula. You tell me how we can find the time. speed is equals to distance by time. Here also, this is V1, S1, T1. Let me assume this is V2, S2, T2. Now we want T1 and T2. How we can find? Tell me, formula will change us into what? T1 is equals to what is the formula? T1 is equals to what is the formula? S1 by V1. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
As
Yes,
well as
sir.
T2 is equals to what is the formula? S2 by V2. Just V2 will go here, T1, T2 will come here. I have taught you before also. Speed is equals to distance by time. Distance is equals to speed into time. Now time is equals to distance by velocity. Have you remembered this? Yes or no? All of you. Just cross multiplication.
Yes.
Understand? So now substitute the values. T1 is equals to, tell me, distance is how much? 30 kilometer divided by speed is equals to 40 kilometer per hour. So kilometer will get cancelled. 0 will get cancelled. 3 by 4 hours. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is the first thing. Next tell me 3 by 4 hours. Like that same way this side calculate it and tell me. All of you. So distance is equals to 30 kilometers divided by speed is equals to 20 kilometer per hour. So kilometer will get cancelled. 0 will get cancelled, which is equals to how much, Ra? 3 by 2 hours. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that's all. Now we want total time. This is T1 and this is T2. So how we can find total time? Total time is equals to what? T total is equals to T1 plus T2. Can I add it or not? Is it possible or not? Is it possible or not?
Yes, sir.
Total time taken. So
Yes,
add
sir.
how much? 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So what is the LCM? And you tell me everything. Everything. Let me see who will say. You are all 9th class correct. So what is the LCM? 4 is the LCM. Is it correct?
Sir.
So 3 plus
Yes, sir.
6 divided by 4 hours. So if you do this, which is equals to what? 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9. 9 by 4 hours. So this is the total time. Is it correct or not, Laksha? Laksha. So let me assume this is the equation 1. Is it okay, da? All of you,
Yes, sir.
till here you solve. All of you solve till here.
Yes, sir.
Solve. Time, have you got the 9 by 4 hours?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, we want average speed. So what one more thing we should know? Total distance also. Now, what is the total distance? Add it and tell me. Can I erase it? Can I erase it? Okay, let it be. Now, total distance. Total distance is equals to S1 plus S2. So S1 is equals to how much? 30 kilometers. S2 is equals to also 30 kilometers, which is equals to how much our total distance? Total distance
60.
60 kilometers. So now that's all.
60.
Substitute in formula. Total distance divided by total time taken and tell me the value. Average speed. All of you fastly do it and tell me. Everything I have taught here. Now you have to substitute it. That's all. Average speed formula you write. What is the average speed formula? Average speed is equals to what? Yeah, total
Distance
divided by
Total distance
time taken.
3 by
traveled by total
Yeah.
time taken.
Average speed is equals to total
total distance traveled and time traveled.
total distance divided by total time taken. Understand it? Now substitute it. Total distance how much, Ra? Total distance 60 kilometers.
60.
Next, divide by total time how much, Ra? 9 by 4 hours. Understand? Now, mathematics you observe. Division is again having division. So it will become reciprocal. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it will become what? 60 into 4 divided by 9 kilometer per hour. At least do this division and tell me what is the value. What is the average speed? All of you, let me see who will do. So 6 fours are not 6 fours are 24, which is equals to 240 divided by 9 kilometer per hour. So 240 divided by 9, solve it and tell me. Pradosh is saying 26.6. Others also. How much it is? 26.6 kilometer per hour. Have you got the answer? Like this, you should find the average speed. Slowly now, all of you see from first again. Everybody. You understood or not? Pradosh? Manish? Alana?
Sir, 26.
26.6 will come.
6. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all. Solve it. Can I erase it now? Manish, are you understood or not?
Yes, sir. Erase, sir.
If I'm
Erase
not,
it,
later
sir.
not solving means I will say you. Now, let me see next question who will solve. I will give time also. So will you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right, next question. Those who can understand, see, nobody will teach more than like this understanding. Below than that, I cannot go also even because you are all 9th class now, not even lower classes. So now that is why I am teaching. Okay, right. Next question. On a 120-kilometer track, on a 120-kilometer track, on a 120-kilometer track, on 120-kilometer track, a train travels the first 30 kilometers. A train travels the first 30 kilometers at a uniform speed of first 30 kilometers at a uniform speed of 30 kilometer per hour. 30 kilometer per hour. 30 kilometer per hour.
Sir, can you unmute
What, Ra?
the question?
Repeat the question.
Sir,
Okay. On a 120-kilometer track. So the total track, train track, Ray, on a 120-kilometer track, the total distance is how much a tracker? Yes, total is equals to
120 kilometers.
Understanding? 120-kilometer track. The first 30 kilometers, see how I am drawing image. But the first 30 kilometers at a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. 30 kilometer per hour. Full stop. How fast must the train travel the next 90 kilometers? How fast? They are asking speed here. How fast the train travel next 90 kilometers so as to average 60 kilometers for entire trip. 60 average speed. Here I have given average speed. Remember, average speed, which is equals to 60 kilometer per hour. 60 kilometer per hour. Now they are asking, what is the speed in this case? V2 they are asking. So V1 you know, S1 you know, and S2 you know, and we should find now V2. You people understand or not?
sir, repeat the question, sir.
First, how fast must the train travel? How fast must the train travel? How fast must the train travel? The next 90 kilometers. The next 90 kilometers. So as to average 60 kilometer per hour for the entire trip. Are you people understand, Ra? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is very, very simple, Ra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you'll understand this, then it is very, very simple. Understanding. So let us go for now. Start solving from first. Understanding, like exactly how I have drawn diagram, you draw. Understanding. So total distance is this is, and the average speed is how much, Ra? Average speed is how much? Average speed how much they have given?
30, 60,
The average speed, Ra?
60 kilometer per hour.
60 kilometer per hour. Yes or no?
60 kilometer per hour, sir.
Yeah. 60 kilometer per hour is the average
Yes,
speed.
sir.
Total distance is 120 kilometer, and this one 30 kilometer per 30 kilometer per hour, but this is 90 kilometers, so we should find that speed. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In mathematics, you tell me. If you
Yes,
don't know,
sir.
if you want to find something in mathematics, we can assume as a x or y something. Have you remembered that class 8th mathematics? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here also I don't know V2. Can I assume this V2 as a x kilometer per hour? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. First starts with the first thing. So first find average speed, total time taken. You tell me how to find total time taken. With the help of these two, we can find total time taken. How much it is? What is the total time taken to travel that journey? Tell me. What is the total time taken?
Total time.
What? Are average speed they have given, total distance they have given. Can you cannot calculate total time. So let us see first now. Given data you write. Given. So given speed, distance 1 is equals to 30 kilometer. Distance, next speed 1 is equals to 30 kilometer per hour. Next, distance 2 is equals to 90 kilometer, and speed V2 we don't know. So let x kilometer per hour. Is it right or wrong? Yes or no? And now,
Yes, sir.
yes, total distance is equals to 120 kilometers, and average speed is equals to how much, Ra? Average speed is equals to how much, Ra?
60 kilometer.
60 kilometer per
60
hour.
kilometer.
Now, by using these two, can we calculate total time? Can we calculate or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can calculate. So what is the average speed formula? So average speed is equals to total distance traveled divided by what, Ra? Total
Total time taken.
total time taken. Now we want total time. So average speed is equals to 60. They have given 60 kilometer per hour. Total distance equals to 120 kilometer divided by total time. So now from this you calculate total time. What will come? Total time is equals to 120 kilometer divided by 60 kilometer per hour. So 61s are 62s are kilometer will get cancelled, which is equals to how many hours, Ra?
2 hours.
2 hours. Is
2
there any
hours.
doubt?
No, sir.
Clear? So now please mark it as a equation number 1. Equation number 1 you also. Okay? Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Now total time is equals to how
Yes,
much, Ra?
sir.
Total time is equals to how much? Total time is equals to how much?
Total.
Total time equals to how much, Ra? From here to here, total time equals to how much? Total time taken how much, Ra? Huh?
2 hours.
2 hours. Now, traveling first 30 kilometers how much? Traveling first 30 kilometers how much? How we can calculate? Speed you know, distance you know, cannot calculate time.
1 hour.
How much?
1 hour.
1 hour. So the time taken to travel this first 30 kilometers is 1 hour. But total is 2 hours. Means in the sense of next 90 kilometers is traveled how much time?
1 hour.
1 hour only. So now 1 hour means what is the speed? 90 kilometer distance. And speed time should come 1 hour. So what is the speed you should go? 1 by 1,
30
30 by 30, 1 hour. Here also.
Yeah.
How
Six.
much speed? Array total distance, total time is 2 hours. First 30 kilometers, 1 hour over. Next 90 kilometers, it should travel by 1 hour itself. That's all. So means in the sense of what is the speed it should get equals to 1 hour. Array distance is 90 kilometers. Speed also will come 90 only. 90 divided by 90 will give you what, Ra? What it will give?
Okay, sir.
3 kilometers, sir.
What, Ra?
Sir, 90 kilometers per hour, sir. Speed.
That is only I am saying. So let us see. So till here have you done total time equals to 2 hours. Have you found it or not? Have you found it or not?
Yes,
All of
sir.
you do it. Till here you do it. I will
Yes,
teach
sir.
you. Till here all of you do
Yes,
it now. Now, if you understand that, everybody completed Laksha, you understood or not? Total time equals to 2 hours. Have you found it or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, so here, if you'll observe here, this total distance, everything we have found it, no issues now. So now total journey is made into 2 parts. This is part 1 and this is part 2. So now part 1, they have given distance as well as speed. So from that, can I calculate the time traveled by the distance? Can I calculate or not?
Sir.
Yes. Now Roman number 1. Let me assume this is the case number 1 and this is the case number 2. So now here if you'll observe, understanding. So speed is equals to what is the given draw? Case number 1. V1 is equals to 30 km per hour and distance S1 is equals to 30 km. So now time is equals to what is the formula? Distance by speed, understanding, equals to 30 km divided by 30 km per hour. Kilometer will get cancelled. 31s are 31s are, which is equals to how much, Ra? T1 is equals to how much? T1 is equals to how much? 1 hour. Is it correct or not? So let me assume this is equation 2. All of you do it. Let me assume this is equation 2. Do it all of you. Like mathematics I am saying you, understanding. So now 1 hour you finished it. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now Roman number 2. Roman number 2 you do it. Roman number 2 what will come? As we know that speed we have assumed. Speed is equals to x km per hour. Understanding assumed. Next, what is the distance, Ra? Distance is S2 equals to 90 km. So we want T2. So T2 equals to what is the formula? T2 is equals to S2 divided by V2, which is equals to 90 km divided by x km per hour. So kilometer will get cancelled. 90 by x hours. Is it yes or no? Is it
Yes,
yes or
sir.
no? So now let us assume this is the equation number 3. All of you do it. Till here, any doubt you ask me? Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Any doubt, Ra? Now,
No, sir.
now, what is the total time formula, Ra? 2 cases are there. What is the total time formula? What is the total time formula? Total time formula is equals to how much, Ra? T total is equals to T1 plus T2. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, total time, how much you got? How much you got total time? Total time, how much you got, Ra? First beginning you see. Total time is equals to how much? Array, total time, how much you got, Ra? 2 hours. Have you remember total time we have found from average velocity? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
2 hours is equals to T1 equals to how much? 1 hour plus T2 is equals to 90 by x hours. That's all. Now you solve this, you will get the x value. X value equals to how much, Ra? Observe very carefully and tell me. Hours and everything.
1 hour.
No issues. So this is the equation. So now you do it and tell me what will come equation. Mathematics only, Ra. This one plus 1 here, plus 1 is there. Plus 1 will come this side, will become minus 1. Is it correct or not? So can I write this one as 90 by x, which is equals to 2 minus 1? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Now 90 by x, which is equals to 2 minus 1 means how much, Ra? 1. Now x equals to 90 kilometer per hour. Is it right or wrong? That's all. X equals how much you got? X equals how much?
90 kilometer per hour.
That's all. X equals to 90 kilometer per
kilometer.
hour. That's all. You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Solve
Yes,
it
sir.
now, all of you. Manvish, have you understood? Ra?
30 kilometers, 30
Yes,
kilometers. Then 90 kilometers, 90 kilometer per hour.
Is it completed, Ra? Solve it now, all of you.